For a 100% allergy and bedbug-free sleep zone, use Protect-A-Bed's AllerZip Smooth Mattress Encasement. You'll sleep cool and comfortable on its smooth top surface, while getting maximum protection for both you and your mattress. Our fully encasing protector wraps completely around the mattress and offers many exclusive features and benefits, beginning with its miracle membrane backing on all sides of the encasement. This two-way barrier is 100% waterproof, providing protection against moisture, allergens, dust mites, and bed bugs, while being air vapor porous to allow body heat to pass through it. For added allergy protection, we've designed an allergen flap behind the zipper to prevent any allergens from entering or becoming airborne through the zipper's teeth, and reinforce the seams around the entire encasement by double stitching them. To complete this 100% allergy and bedbug-free sleep zone, Protect-A-Bed's AllerZip Smooth Mattress Encasement features a 3-sided zipper system with bug lock and secure seal. The 3-sided zipper system allows for easy installation and removal, while the patented bug lock is a one-of-a-kind zipper enclosure, sealing the zipper's end to prevent bedbugs as well as allergens from entering or escaping. You'll have complete peace of mind after applying the secure seal. This zip tie and hook design holds the zipper in place, creating a tamper-proof system. Protect-A-Bed's AllerZip Smooth Mattress Encasement can be machine washed in hot water to eliminate germs, and will stretch to fit mattresses from 8 to 18 inches without altering the feel of the mattress. Complete with a 10-year product warranty against any manufacturing defects, and listed as a Class 1 medical device with the FDA, our mattress encasement has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. To complete your healthy sleep zone, don't forget your AllerZip pillow protectors. Sleep comfortably and experience the very best in allergy and bedbug protection with Protect-A-Bed's AllerZip line of protectors.